Hi friends, welcome to Chef Venalton's kitchen. Today I'm going to make something special for lamb lovers. So the lamb, how I'm going to make, it's going to be stuffed with yuca and quinoa and covered with banana leaf, and I'm going to grill it. With that, I'm going to serve some vegetable jalfrezi. It's going to be both very good combination. It's going to be more healthy and tasty. Definitely going to like this. Let's get started. Mise en place are ready for the lamb and the vegetable jalfrezi. I have fennel powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and chili flakes, and cherry tomato and chopped garlic. And I have some spices also here. And I have some fresh boiled yuca and fresh lemon and some vegetables. And I have a lamb here. So I'm going to start marinate the lamb now. For the lamb, just make it two separate part of banana leaf, one rectangle size like this, one more rectangle like this, cross. You can keep it on the cross side. So two banana leaf we need for this, and keep it aside. So now I'm going to prepare the lamb. I have a very nice leg of lamb. So I'm going to slice them, very thin slice. You can see now the whole lamb, I sliced very thin. So now I'm going to marinate this. Add some olive oil. So for the lamb marination, you can see now I have some whole coriander, fennel seed and cumin seed, and I have some red chilies. So I'm going to make this one powder now. So then I'm going to marinate with lamb. I blended all the spices so in powder form. So I'm going to marinate with these spices. Add spices into the lamb. Add some lemon juice. Add some salt. Add some chopped garlic. Just mix it together. Make sure all the spices mixed even. So now keep it aside. I have a very nice yuca. Remove the skin. Slice them. And put it in the bowl. And add some olive oil. The same spices which is we added into the lamb, the same spices, just add some spices in the yuca and mix it, all mixed. So you can keep it aside. Now I have some boiled quinoa, lamb marination ready, and yuca also marinated, quinoa also here. Now we'll start stuffing the lamb. So now you can see how I'm doing. Thin sliced and marinated one. Make it like a square shape, and just arrange it, the sliced yuca. Now you can put quinoa on the top. Just spread it even. Then again put one more layer of yuca. So now you can put other layer of lamb on the top. Second layer also done now. The top layer we covered with lamb. So now we're going to fold this, and this side just fold it like that, and this one also fold it like that. Just tight it like this. So tight like this. The other side also tight them. The stuffed lamb is ready now. So the pan also nice and hot. Going to grill the lamb. Grill some olive oil. Just in the middle, leave the lamb. So the lamb is grilling now. So make it in slow fire. Okay, now you can see one side the lamb is grilling now. So the other side I'm going to start making vegetable jalfrezi. Add some oil. Add some bay leaves and curry leaves. Add some garlic. So once the garlic is brown, you can add the vegetables. Add some turmeric powder. Add some chili powder. Some fennel seed powder, which is we added for lamb. So the same masala I'm going to add for the vegetable also, and mix it. Add some salt. So one side is grilled. So now I turn the other side. Definitely it's taking like a 10 to 15 minutes for grilling one side. So I'm turned the other side now. Then also it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Vegetable jalfrezi almost is ready now. It is going to be like a dry vegetable jalfrezi, not like a gravy. I'm going to add some cherry tomato also, colorful vegetables and more healthy also. So now the jalfrezi is ready. So I'm going to keep it aside. Today lamb, it was so good. Came up with very nice and delicious taste. I hope the lamb lovers are definitely going to love it. There is no any doubt about it. Because what I made it, the method of cooking, that is very important. And especially what we did today, lamb stuffed with yuca and quinoa and lightly marinated with the lamb and covered with banana leaf, and after that we grilled them. Then we have a side of some vegetable jalfrezi also. It's going to be more healthy. We didn't use much oil, and definitely you guys going to love this, and especially for your kids also. They're going to love it. I'll see you soon. So I'm going to. Wow, you can see that nice and hot. So now I'm going to add some vegetable jalfrezi on the side. It's going to be in a very good combination, the lamb and yuca and the quinoa and a side of vegetable jalfrezi. It's a dry vegetable. It will give more flavor and more taste. And the pepper also, it's not spicy, it's a sweet peppers. So definitely you guys going to love this. Let me taste now. I'm going to take a small pieces and with the vegetables and the yuca also. Wow. It's a good combination now. So tender and juicy. Awesome.
Delicious!